good morning. My name is Lani. I will be your nurse this morning till 7 o'clock tonight, and I will be doing a cranial nerve assessment on you, madam. And I'm going to wash my hands, close the curtain, check the patient's charts if there's any pending orders beside the cranial assessment for today. And I will ask the patient for full name and birth date, and I will verify the patient's arm or wristband. Ano pang pangalan nyo?
Maria de los Remedios. Wow.
Anong birthday nyo?
March 3 and 10:41.
Okay. Thank you. So, patingin. Yeah. Patient's skin color, there's no sign of paleness, no sign of sweating, no sign of there's no sign of edema on all four limbs, no sign of any cuts or bruises, no sign of inflammation or no sign of cuts and bruises, and no sign of inflammation. Okay, and patient's skin turgor is within 2 seconds. They come back slowly. Just gonna check there. Check. Okay.
Hindi ako naglo-lotion eh.
Okay. Nagkaroon na kayo na ng headache, may mga headache ka, may nagkaroon ka ng surgery dito sa ulo mo, ha?
Wala.
No brain trauma, no concussion.
Wala.
No, okay. No concussion, no brain surgery, neurosurgery, or brain trauma. Do you have any headache? Meron kang headache? Masakit ulo mo?
Wala.
Walang wala ka nararamdaman na masakit? Okay. Sorry, dogs are barking. Who's in there? Nobody's there. Okay. May nararamdaman kang sakit ng ulo mo? Sakit ulo mo?
Wala.
Nahihilo ka or feeling nauseous, headache, dizziness? Meron ka? No? Okay. May nararamdaman kang mga tingling, yung nagmamanhid ba yung mga mo? Nagmamanhid? Mga kamay mo or wala? No tingling? No numbness? No, okay. Just going to check your, okay. Any pain here? Right here? Any pain? No. Any pain here? Any pain?
Wala.
May masakit? Okay. May masakit dito? May masakit dito? Okay. May masakit dito? May masakit dito?
Wala.
Masakit dito? May sakit dito? Okay. May masakit dito? Okay.
This one eh.
Okay. Masakit dyan. Right. Behind her neck is painful. Yes. Pain. Okay. Sarado mo tong ilong mo. Ganyan ka. Okay. No. Huwag kang sisi.
Ay.
Deep breath.
Ah.
Okay. Yung isa. Okay. I'm just going to check the... Okay. Takpan mo yung isang ilong. Yeah. Okay. Amoyin mo to. Anong amoy? Anong amoy yan? What's the smell? Anong amoy?
No, hindi ko alam.
Anong amoy? Anong amoy?
Hindi ko alam.
Anong amoy?
Hindi ko
Kape?
alam.
Kape?
Parang kape.
Okay, kape. Coffee. Okay, ito amoy. Yung isa namang, ano, okay. Yung ito naman, sarado mo to. Close that, yeah. And smell that. Ano yan? Baby powder? Ano amoy? Baby powder?
Mm.
Okay. She said baby powder. Okay. Amoy mo ulit. Kape?
Mm.
Ito. Sarado mo yung isang ilong. Ano amoy?
Baby powder.
Okay. Good. Good, good, good. Okay. Okay. Tingnan mo yung kamay ko, ha? Okay. Sundan mo, ha? Okay, hawakan mo yung kamay, okay. Ganyan ka. Ganyan, ganito ka. Ganyan. Hawakan mo yung, yeah, tapos ganyan. Okay. No. Okay. Patingin. Okay, sarado mo yung, ano mo. Sarado mo yung mata mo. Okay. Oh, patingin. Tingin ka lang sa akin, ha, dito. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good.
Tapos na.
Hindi pa. Not done yet. Okay. Ganyan ka. Ganito ka.
Ha?
Tingnan mo mukha ko. Kulubot mo mukha mo. Tapos pakita mo ganyan ka. Yeah, pakita mo ngipin mo. Yeah. Okay. Tapos kulubot. Tapos ganyan ka. Ipalobo mo yung mukha mo. Palobo mo. Okay. Okay, she's having difficulty time blowing her mouth because she's wearing dentures and might come out. Okay. So her right eye is not it is non-consensual. They don't respond. Their her left eye is consensual. They respond. So it's about 3M, and the right eye is 2M. They're not non-responsive. So okay, so 2-3M, I have to remember that. Okay. And okay, maglunok ka, lunok. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Say okay. Okay. Teka lang, kuha ko lang yung ano. I have to get tissue. Oh, nananalay. Stick. spatula.
What?
For your time. It's little.
Ano yan?
Okay. Pati. Okay. Say ah. Okay. The palate is soft and pink. No sign of inflammation or bleeding. Patingin. Say, ilabas mo yung dila mo. Ah. Labas mo. Okay, hawakan ko ha. Ah. Okay. Okay. Teka. The tissue. Okay mo. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Say, labas mo yung dila mo ulit. Labas mo yung dila mo. Labas mo yung dila mo.
Ang sakit.
Come on. Okay. 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 Tissue coming apart. Okay. So her gag reflex are intact. Their midline, their epiglottis are intact. Midline. Their Okay. Patingin. Say ah. Okay. Ilabas mo. Yung tang mo, lagay mo dito sa kaliwa. Okay. Kanan. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Smile. Smile. Tawa ka. Smile. Yan. Yan. Okay. Any pain? Any pain?
No.
Okay. Any pain there? Any pain here? Any pain here?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Any pain here? Any pain here?
No.
Okay. Okay. Any pain here? Any pain there? May masakit?
Wala.
No pain. Okay. Okay. So, paano ba to? Okay, I'm just gonna, okay. Gonna make sure it's not sharp. Okay. Maybe this is sharp. I'll just do this one. I'll just do this one. Yeah. Think. Okay. Tingnan. Yeah. This is not sharp. Okay. Close your eye. Sarado mo mata mo. Close your eyes. Sasabihin mo now pag naramdaman mo yung ano ko sa iyo ha. Yung pag may naramdaman ka sa mukha mo, sabihin mo now, okay? Okay. Ano, nararamdaman mo? Nararamdaman ka? Wala kang hindi mo nararamdaman yun? Hindi mo nararamdaman yan?
Wala nga.
Nararamdaman mo to?
Wala.
Hindi mo nararamdaman yan? Nararamdaman mo or hindi?
Naramdaman ko yung ganun mo.
Okay, sasabihin mo now.
Yun.
So you say now, okay. You feel that? Nararamdaman now? Sabihin mo now.
Now.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Now. Now.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Yan. Lani.
Okay. Nararamdaman mo ba yun?
Oo.
Okay. 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 I have to put this away. Okay. May sasabihin ako sa iyo. Ano ba sasabihin ko? What? Okay. So, may sasabihin ako sa iyo. Ibubulong ko. Uulitin mo, okay? Okay. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Okay. Bubulong ko sa iyo, ha? Anong sinabi ko?
What?
Binulong ko sa iyo. Anong sinabi ko?
Dog.
Dog. Okay.
Dog.
Dito naman. Ano sinabi ko?
I know.
Okay. Ano sinabi ko?
Jack.
No?
No? No? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ano sinabi ko?
Hindi ko alam. No.
Huh? Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, ulitin ko, I have to repeat it. Okay. Iba na naman. Basta sabihin ko. Okay. Ano bang maganda sabihin? Okay. Ano sinabi ko?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo narinig?
Red?
Okay. I said red. And then dito naman sa kabila.
Green.
Okay. So she could hear on the left ear better than the right ear. Oh boy. This is crazy. Stop talking.
Okay.
Okay.
Finish. Uning, sige na.
Okay. Naanap na pala natin yung gag reflex mo. Okay. Okay, sabihin mo, yung ano mo, ganyan. Ganyan ka. Yep. Yeah, ganyan. Yeah. Okay. So, ganyan. Yeah.
Kanina naganyan ako.
Naganyan ka din? Nag-exercise ka?
Oo.
She said she exercised.
Every day.
Okay. 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 Shrug yung shoulder mo. Okay, good. Okay, so she can shrug her shoulder. No problem on her range of motion on her shoulder. They all work. And may masakit? May masakit dito?
Wala.
Okay, no pain and tenderness. Thank you, Mrs. Guajo. And I'm done with your cranial assessment today. And I will chart everything I find throughout to you the assessment we did today, and I will let the doctor know when he or she come in. I will wash my hand, open the curtain. Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good day.